Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm going to give you a quick introduction to Discord and our community platform. If you go to discord.com, you'll see that there is an option for you to download Discord for Windows. It's highly recommended that you actually download the application. In your case, it might say download for Mac, but downloading it for your computer is a great idea. There's also a mobile version of the app, which we recommend that you get on your phone so you can receive notifications. So once you have Discord downloaded and you have an invitation to join Unconstrained Community, and you can get that either through the link shared during class or clicking over here on the community. Once you have a Discord account and you're not a part of any servers yet, so you can add a server over here, paste the invitation link. So say join a server, paste the invitation link, and click on Join Server. You may have to authenticate that you are a human. Once you've joined the Unconstrained server, you should see something like this. A brief introduction from myself, as well as a few recommendations for you to check out before you fully engage. So step one would be going over here to introduce yourself. Click on this. Down at the bottom, it says you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. Click on complete. Read through the rules. When you are ready, click on I have read and agree to the rules and submit. Now you have the ability to message directly into the chat. So you may go down here to the bottom and introduce yourself. When you are done, just hit enter and that message will be sent. Up at the top left, it says get started, 1 of 3. So there's still a few more things for you to take a look at before you're fully a part of the community. If there are any upcoming events, you can register for them here. It's easy to follow along by just looking at the bottom, clicking on this arrow. Once you've done the 3 starter channels, you've explored those, then that goes away at the top and you are now a full-fledged member of the course. So by default, all members of our community have access to these channels which are available here. Let's talk briefly about the different types of channels that you see. Channels with this hashtag symbol are chat channels, and the chat follows in a fairly predictable way with newer messages coming in at the bottom. Channels that have the 2 speech bubbles are forum channels, and this is where people can share prompts, tools, projects, and you can have focused discussions by clicking on this. You can have focused discussions that are a part of a single thread. So when I message here at the bottom, it's going to be attached to this thread and this topic that is shown. Down here, we have channels that have a voice icon, and those are channels you can join and you can do video and or audio chat with other people from the community. So going back to general chat, as you are going to be joining a cohort, you are actually going to be getting access to some additional channels that are specific, private, and restricted, and only available to participants in that cohort. Let me show you what that looks like. So right now, you'll see that a new section has just appeared. That's because I have been assigned a role. And in this case, my role is I'm a member of the AI for Leaders course. And I can now look at cohort community, and I'll see that both of these channels here have a small little lock icon next to them. AI for Leaders is a chat channel. That is where you will have your assignments posted with links to where you have to go, and a general discussion space that is private to all members of the cohort. AI for Leaders 01 assignments is where you'll see the different threads as a forum. I've just deployed the assignment for all of the work to be done in week 1 of AI for Leaders. And you can see that our friendly community bot, Una, who you'll get to know better over the course of your time here, has shared links and brief descriptions, as well as a duration of the assignments that you will engage in week 1. Assignments that are required are in green, and assignments that are optional are in this blue color, as well as being labeled as optional. She has gone ahead and created threads for each of these assignments, and you can access that easily by just clicking on the links here. So the first assignment is to get connected to Discord, and you'll see a brief description of the assignment, if there are links for you to access, and you can go ahead and message here letting us know that you've connected successfully into Discord, maybe introducing yourself to the cohort. I can go back here and I can continue to explore the different assignments. Remember that these are all threads, so if I go back here, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threads are visible. And we can even see them as a gallery. These are the assignments for week 1.